Hello everyone, my name is Sagar Budale. I am an English teacher in Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. We have started a series based on degrees of comparison. In last couple of videos, we have seen comparative degree. Today we are going to see superlative degree. So let's start it. We have seen how to build the comparative form of the adjectives. There were some rules, already we have gone through this. If you have missed the videos, you can again go to the channel and watch it once again. And at the end, I give you an exercise to solve. That is, here are 5 sentences. You have to use comparative form of the adjectives to make the sentences complete. As a hint, a picture is given. You can look at the picture and then you can solve it. For example, tiny is tall than sky. Even if I'm not looking at the picture, I can know that tiny and sky, two things, two persons I'm comparing. So comparative form will be taller. And if you want to get a help, obviously picture is here. Then you can look at these pictures and do the comparison. I hope you have solved it. If you have solved it, you can just check your answers with my answers. Here are the answers. You can just pause the video and check the answers. Well, today we are going to see superlative adjectives. If we are comparing two persons, two things, two places, we use comparative form of adjectives. But sometimes there is a comparison between the persons more than two, things more than two, or places more than two. That time we can't use comparative form. We have to use superlative form of the adjectives. And so it is called as superlative degree. Let's have a look at this. Here I have 3 houses. If we start from this one, it's big. This is smaller than first one. And then one more is there. Which one is the small than these two? So here I am comparing the houses and they are more than two. If you just look at these houses, this one, the red one is big, and then we have small, and then one more is there, which one is small. Now we'll go through this one by one. Well, I will look at these two houses. This one is small, this one is big. So I can say this house is bigger than this one. And same for that, I can compare this house with the red one, and I can say the red one is bigger than this one. That time we are using comparative degree. But what if I want to tell which one is the big one out of these three? Obviously the red one. And that time I have to use the superlative form, that is the biggest. So I can say this house, that is the red one, is biggest one. Let's have more example on this. Before going to see more examples on superlative degrees, today we will see how to make superlative form of the adjectives. As we have seen comparative degree, same way here also, but with the little changes. If the adjective is short one, then we can just add est at the end. For example, old, oldest. I am using here est. If the adjective is small, just at the end we have to add est. That is the first thing. Another thing is that we were using than in a comparative degree. For example, he is taller than me. After the adjectives, we are using than. Here, before the adjectives, we have to use the oldest. Next, we have young. Again, I will write young as it is, and at the end, I am writing est, youngest, the youngest. If the word has a structure like this, CVC, consonant, vowel, and consonant, then at the end we have to add est, but again with some change, that final consonant will be doubled. For example, here we have a word big. First letter B is a consonant, I is a vowel, G is a consonant. So consonant, vowel, consonant. Big I am writing as it is. I will add est, but before that G will be doubled. The biggest, hot, hottest. If the adjective is short and it's ending with Y, Then same, just like comparative degree, Y will become I, and at the end we will add est. Easy, easiest; heavy, heaviest; happy, happiest; crazy, craziest; funny, funniest. Next we have, what if the adjective is not short but a bigger one? Then we have to use most. If you remember, I told you a hint, that is, if there are vowels more than two, then we have to use more in a comparative degree, but in a superlative degree, we'll use most exciting, beautiful, most beautiful, significant, most significant, etc. These adjectives which follow the rule of est, or the consonant is getting doubled, y is changing into I, or if we are adding more and more, they are called as regular adjectives. But there are some adjectives which are irregular, they don't follow these rules. And they have separate forms, different forms in comparative and superlative. Good, comparative form is better, superlative is best. Bad, worst. I cannot say baddest, that will be completely wrong. So we have to be a little careful with these irregular adjectives. Important thing, that is, we use the before the superlative form of the adjectives. John is the tallest. If you are comparing two persons, we'll use that. Like John is taller than Arjun. But here we have to use the before the superlative degree. This sentence means that there are many boys, and out of all these boys, John is the tallest one. We are comparing many boys, maybe more than two. At least it should be three. Ferrari is the most expensive car. Here I am comparing many cars, and out of all those cars, I am saying that Ferrari is the most expensive. I hope you understood how to make the superlative forms of the adjectives. Few more examples we'll see in the next video. Thank you for your time.